Curry leaf plant is one of the easiest house plants to grow. Even a beginner can plant it and get good growth just by following a few care tips. And in this video, we will see these curry leaf plant growing tips that you can follow. So let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most important thing you need to understand for growing a lot of curry leaves is the ideal season. When the season is ideal, curry leaves plant grow really fast, produce a lot of leaves, make side branches, get bushier, develop a strong immune system, and much more. That's all because of a favorable season. The temperature and humidity are just ideal for the fast growth of curry plants, and that's why when the plant is actively growing, it automatically repels most diseases and problems on its own. I have been growing curry leaf plants for almost 3 years now. After multiple trials, the most important thing I concluded is the ideal season. I live in a moderate climate region where the temperature in winters drops to 5 to 8 degrees Celsius, and in summers it exceeds 40 degrees Celsius. In such a region, even in mid-summers when the temperature is above 40 degrees Celsius, the curry leaf plant didn't stop growing. Yes, winters in such regions are a little bit hard period for curry leaves plant, but the plant is very adaptive and resistant. Besides a few yellow leaves, there is no major harm to the plant. If you live in a similar region, simply plant your curry leaf outdoors as soon as the spring season begins. You will see the plant growing throughout the spring and summer months. When the summer season ends and winters begin, you will see the plant slow down and go dormant. You can place it outdoors if the plant is mature, but if it's young and small, place it in the shade of bigger plants to protect it from harsh weather. On the other hand, if you live in a cold climate region where winter's temperature drops below 0 degrees Celsius and snow falls, you should move your curry leaf plant indoors to save it. If a small plant is placed outdoor under the open sky, it will most probably die. If your plant is mature, it can bear outdoor conditions. It will drop all of its leaves but stay alive, and as spring season begins, it will start growing again. The real problem is for young plants, otherwise bigger plants can be grown outdoors. Overall, curry leaf plant is a pure summer growing plant, so make sure to plant it during springs or summers, not in winters. Another key thing you need to understand for getting a lot of curry leaves is the pot size. Curry leaf plant is a tree. It can grow as tall as 40 to 50 feet when planted in the ground, but when growing it in a pot, you have to be extra careful with the pot size. Otherwise, as soon as the roots get bound, the plant will stop growing and may even die. I brought this plant home from a nursery. It was in a small poly bag. I chose this grow bag which is at least 12 inches in size, and this is enough for at least 2 to 4 years of curry leaf growth. To understand the ideal pot size, follow this rule. If the plant is growing in a 5 inches pot and you suspect roots bounding, shifting it to a 10 inches pot is good enough for at least 1 to 2 years. There is no fixed ideal pot size for any plant. As long as the roots keeps growing, you are good to go. When root growth stops, problems start appearing and a neglected plant can even die. Another thing you should pay attention to is the soil media of your curry leaf plant. If the soil is hard and compact or water blocking, you will see many problems. First, yellow leaves will appear, then the plant will stop growing and it can even die. Curry leaf plant likes a well-draining, soft and loose mixture. A compact and hard mixture limits the growth of new roots, which puts stress on the plant, so make sure your soil is loose and well-draining. I am using my own homemade mixture and it works really well. It is a mix of coco peat, garden soil and sand, no special ingredients. A video guide on this soil recipe is also added in the description box. You can follow that. In poorly draining soil, curry leaf plants do not grow well. To check drainage, observe the top layer. If it dries out from time to time, it's a sign of good drainage. Another key factor for growing curry leaf plants in pots is the ideal spot. Curry leaf plant is a complete outdoor plant in its native region. It grows in open spaces and loves full day direct sunlight. It belongs to tropical regions where the sunlight is abundant. When growing it in a pot, the soil can heat up quickly in peak summers. To manage this, you can do light mulching and still keep the plant in a sunny spot. There is no harm in it. If you don't have a full sunlight, make sure your plant gets at least 2 to 4 hours of direct sunlight daily. Otherwise, you may see stunted growth. If you notice pale yellow leaves, it's a sign of low light. For fertilizing the curry leaf plant, you can use this homemade organic fertilizer. I made it myself and it works really well for such perennial plants. Curry leaf plant is a moderate feeder. It doesn't require heavy fertilization, but it still needs nutrients to grow properly. At the end of the day, soil nutrients convert into leaves, stems and fruit, so your soil should always have some nutrients. You can use this fertilizer. A video guide on making this is added in the description box. Apply it at least once a month during the growing season. The best time to apply this fertilizer is in the evening time. Another thing that can promote a lot of growth in curry leaf plants grown in pots is the pruning. The plant doesn't produce many side branches when left on its own. That's why light pruning is very beneficial. It helps the plant become bushier and stronger over time, and the main stem becomes thicker. All you need is a clean and sharp cutter. You can also disinfect it with hydrogen peroxide. They are also linked in the description box to buy. My pruner is old but sharp. Simply cut about 1 inch from the growing tip and that's it. Do this only when the plant is actively growing, not during dormancy. In the recent years, I have learned that the curry leaf plant is very hardy. These are the only things that matter. Work on this and you will definitely get good growth. And here is a detailed video on Moringa plant, which is another low maintenance addition to your garden. Feel free to check it out and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.